Hey, what is up YouTube? LandoTech here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install FlixVision on your Google TV. But what is FlixVision? Well, FlixVision gives you a ton of shows and movies all for free. It's super fast, very simple, and you can find almost any show or movie. And the best part is the installation is extremely simple. I'll walk you through it. Start off by turning on developer mode. To do that, go into Settings. System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build, and click that 7 times until you see a message that says, "You are now a developer." Now, go back to the home screen. Pan over to the Apps tab, go down to the search box, search for Downloader.
Results for Downloader.
Click on Downloader. Then click Install. But when the installation is complete, don't open it, because before installing any third-party apps, it's crucial to connect to a VPN first. Third-party apps like FlixVision do not meet the Google Play Store requirements, so there's a good chance that these apps could be seeing personal data that you don't want them to be seeing. I myself use NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, cheap, and I have a discount link in my description below if you want to make it even cheaper. Once you're logged into your VPN, go to the home screen. Move over to the Downloader app and launch it. Click OK when prompted. Go to the text field and type the following: 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 5, 8, and hit enter. It will start downloading the FlixVision APK file. While you're waiting on your download to complete, if you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Once the download is complete, click Settings. Then, scroll down and allow the downloader to install apps from unknown sources. Now, click Install to install FlixVision. If Google Protect tries to block the installation, click More Information, then Install Anyway. After the installation is complete, click Done. Click the back arrow to go back to Downloader. Click Delete and delete again to delete the installation file and save some space. Now, go back to the home screen, tab over to FlixVision, and launch it. Right away, you'll see tons of on-demand streaming content, but if you prefer watching your content live, then you can check out this video for a tutorial on installing an IPTV player.